So today in this class I will discuss that when we applied VGS in this circuit, then what will be the output and its working principle of JFET. So in previous video when I was discussed that VGS equals to 0 and we applied only VDS, at that time ID is flowing, but in a certain voltage of VDS ID gets saturated. So in this session we applied VGS and we will see that what happened with output and what will be the value of VDS and ID. So now you all can say that or see that gate is connected, battery is lower potential. We applied a battery to gate to source terminal. So gate is connected, battery lower potential, and source is connected, battery higher potential. So here this is a negative terminal of battery, this is a positive terminal of battery. This is connected to source and negative terminal is connected to gate. So this is a second circuit. Now we applied VGS. VGS equals to minus 1 volt because applied minus terminal is connected to gate and positive terminal is connected to source, and VDS equals to 0 means we are not applied any battery or any power supply to drain to source terminal. We are only applied VGS between gate to source terminal. So suppose VGS equals to minus 1 volt and drain to source we are not using any power supply, which I said before. So at that situation only VGS is connected with minus 1 volt battery. So that means P type means gate is connected to P type, P type is connected to negative potential of battery, and N type you can see that S source terminal is connected to N type. So N type is connected to positive potential, means this is reverse bias. So reverse bias is happened inside here, and for reverse bias this depletion layer will be increased. So let's to the next circuit. So now in this circuit we are connected battery drain to source, right? Drain to source we are connected VDS. Then depletion layer is increased upper side to lower side. Depletion layer is increased upper side to lower side. But previously we connected VGS equals to minus 1 volt, that G is lower potential and source is higher potential. That means previously we have depletion layer. Previously we have depletion layer in here. So obviously means when we applied VDS before we have depletion layer, increasing depletion layer means when we applied VDS in a certain amount of voltage like 3 volt, 2 volt or 1 volt, before it's increasing the VDS value, we get a pinch of voltage where ID is saturated. Means because of VGS, the value of VGS, we getting a increasing depletion layer, and when we applied VDS ID is flowing, but we are not increasing the value of VDS because we are getting a pinch of voltage before we increasing the value of VDS, means ID is getting saturated because of VGS. So that means we are not applying a high amount of voltage. It's like 1 volt, 2 volt or 3 volt. Before we applied a high amount of voltages, we get pinch of voltage and ID is get saturated. In here obviously we get pinch of voltage previously where depletion layer is greatly increases and channel is too narrow. Channel means this is a channel, channel is too narrow. So if VGS is not applied or the increasing value of VGS is not applied, that time when VDS is about 4 volt or 5 volt, that time we get pinch of voltage. When VGS equals to 0, that time we applied VDS, the value of VDS about 4 volt to 5 volt, that time we get pinch of voltage, right? In previous video I was discussed, but at that time, so we don't need VDS to have pinch of voltage before we use VDS. through VGS. So we get pinch off voltage, means we don't need VDS to have pinch off voltage before we use VDS. Through VDS, so we get pinch off voltage. So this is the output graph of JFET working. So here I can see that, and you all can see that this is VDS, this axis is represent VDS, this axis is represent ID, and when VGS equals to 0 volt, at that time ID is get saturated at that pinch off voltage, means VDS value. This value is called pinch off voltage, and then ID is get saturated. But when we applied some value of VGS equals to minus 1 volt, that time we get pinch off voltage before time, or when VGS equals to 0, then we get pinch off voltage at that time or that voltage. But when we applied some value of VGS, then we get a pinch off voltage previously, and also ID is saturated before this time. ID gets saturated so quickly. So now VGS equals to minus 2 volt. Then look, this is a pinch off voltage, and ID gets saturated so quickly. And when we applied minus 3 volt, means VGS equals to minus 3 volt, at that time this is a pinch off voltage and this is a ID. So in this condition we can say that if we applied the value of some value of VGS, then we get pinch off voltage before we also applied some increasing value of VDS. So this is a working principle of JFET, and this is a two condition. One condition I was discussed previous video, and this is a second condition. Thank you.